Boom, baby, what up? This is Morad Fiki, your Houston real estate expert, and I am so happy to be of service. I want to talk today about the multiple disruptors that are currently going on in the real estate business, trying to take out the agent. I will add that almost 9 out of 10 times in a process or a real estate transaction, it's quite often found that it is not a smooth process and there are problems and hiccups and bumps in the road. It is needed a high value, problem solving, solutions driven, tech enabled agent who can come to the rescue, keep the transaction smooth, and find solutions to almost every scenario that will make all parties happy and provide for a smooth closing. This is highly needed in the real estate business. It has always been and will likely always be needed for a solutions driven agent to keep it smooth and also find solutions to problems that will most certainly come up in the real estate transaction. So as always, I'm very happy to be of service. Please let me know how I may assist. And if you have any questions regarding Greater Houston real estate, give me a call. Morad Fiki, we'll see you soon.